Today we are looking at 5 investments that you can start investing with as low as 5,000 Kenya shillings in 2025. I will mention the investment, then I'll do a little definition, and I'll give you the steps or what you need to start investing. And after that, we are going to look at which companies to invest in for each category. And finally, I'll look at the expected returns for each type of investment that you're going to mention here. So let's get started. And of course, I know you can guess the first one, and you're right. The first one is money market funds, and I think this is the most important one and a must-have because of its safety. So yes, we are going to start with the safe ones, and then we're going to go to the volatile ones, okay? In very simple terms, money market funds are investments that are managed by fund managers that collect, basically fund managers, these are companies, they can be banks, they can be insurance companies, or just investment companies. So what they do, they collect money from different people, and then they invest that money in short-term, low-risk securities like treasury bills and commercial papers. Okay, and because they collect money from different people, they are able to get good deals, earn high returns, and then distribute that money or those returns to the investors. So even if you have small amount of money, you get to enjoy great returns you could only get if you had large amount of money. It's like friends coming together, buying things in wholesale as opposed to retail. And then you end up saving a lot. And when you have a lot of money, you also have bargaining power. Yes. So money market funds are regulated by Capital Market Authority, and they guarantee capital preservation. So your money in a money market fund is safe, will earn you interest. You can withdraw at any time, and you can top up as you wish. So it's like basically like a bank account that is earning you good interest. So make sure before the end of the day, you have created a money market fund account and start investing. They are a very good option for saving money while you're earning interest. And you can start investing in money market fund with as low as 100 Kenya shillings and start earning interest of up to 18% per annum. And the secret here is being consistent, keep topping up your account, and let compound interest and the power of consistency do its magic. So to get started in investing in money market fund, here is a list of money market funds in Kenya with their interest rates and the minimum amount you need to start investing. So make sure that you go through them, choose one for you that will work well for you, do some due diligence, and then you can call them to open the account. Or you can just put your comment in the comment section here on how to open that specific money market fund, and I will be able to guide you. I will leave the link in the description box below on videos that we have done before reviewing different money market funds. So you can consider checking them out and see whether these are some of companies that you would be interested in investing in. Number 2 in our list of investments that you can do with as little as 5,000 Kenya shillings in 2025 are Treasury Bonds. So from time to time, the government of Kenya, or any government, usually borrows from its citizens and then they pay back with interest. This is basically what we call treasury bills and treasury bonds. Basically, this is you investing in the government and then they pay you back with interest. They call it domestic borrowing. So they do that a lot. So treasury bills are short-term debts, 91 days to 1 year, and then treasury bonds are long-term debt, ideally offer higher returns than bills, but they take longer for you to access your money or to access your funds. And so you can invest in treasury bills and bonds directly from the central bank portal. With this method, the minimum you can invest is 50,000 Kenya shillings. But you can still invest in treasury bonds with 5,000 with what we call fixed income bonds or bond funds. Yes. So fixed income and bond funds are collective investment schemes, meaning that they collect money from different investors just the same way they do for money market funds, and then they invest in bonds. Okay, so you get to benefit from investing in bonds with your 5,000 Kenya shillings and still earn the same returns you would have gotten if you invested directly with the bond. And the best part of this is the professionals do all the hard work for you. You don't have to go creating a CSD account or bidding for the bond. You just give the fund managers your money, and then they invest in the bond on your behalf, and then you just pay a small fee for that work. Okay. Here we have a list of bond funds and fixed income funds to choose from. Again, take a look and do some due diligence, come up with the one that interests you, and then you can just call them and tell them that you want to open an account. You can also leave the comment in the comment section, ask me how to open a fixed income fund with a particular fund managers, and I will be glad to guide you. Number 3 in our list, we have shares. And let me tell you, investing in shares can be very rewarding. It can have greater returns than even investing in money market funds or even investing in fixed income funds. Remember, these two, they are safe and they are low risk, meaning also the returns are low. Shares are a little bit higher risk, meaning also the potential returns are also higher. And the difference is mainly because with shares, you get to enjoy capital gains as well as dividends. And I will link the video I did explaining how you earn from shares in the description box. So make sure that you check that out. Shares should be long-term investments, and it's more rewarding if you wait for the prices to go higher than what you bought. My advice, start with small amounts like 5,000 and give it like maybe 5 years or more, but keep monitoring, and when what you invested doubles, remove your capital, and then you let the remaining amount continue gaining value or continue earning dividends through that amount, so that you don't lose everything that you invested. Shares represent ownership in a company, and as you wait for the prices to go up, you get to enjoy the dividends. Basically, what the company is making in profit, they distribute that to the investors, and you get to earn that as you wait for the prices to go up. So to start investing in shares, you need to first identify a stockbroker, a licensed stockbroker. You can then visit them, their offices, and they will help you create an account and guide you through opening a CDS account, which you will use to buy, sell, and also monitor your shares. Most stockbrokers that I know, they have an online broker trading platform that will allow you to personally buy and sell shares, but they also have an option to do it for you. So when you want to buy shares from the stockbroker, you just contact them. You make a call, you can email, or you can you have the means of communication. You make sure that you call them, and then you tell them that you want to buy the shares, and they will execute the trade for you, or they will make the trade for you, and then you're going to pay some fee, a small fee, for them to do that. And also, if you're doing it with the trading, the broker trading platform, you also pay an execution fee, which is not much. So here is a list of licensed stockbrokers in Kenya. Choose one that is reliable and one that is available in your area. And here is also a list of companies you can buy shares from. Number 4, we have REITs, Real Estate Investment Trust. And before we proceed, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel for more updates about investment, and also like this video so that it will be pushed to more people who might need it before 2025 begins. Okay, this is how we support each other. All right, thank you so much for that. So REITs are basically a way for you to invest in real estate without putting in millions to purchase the property. We know how much it costs to buy land and put up rentals in Kenya, right? Now, for people who have not reached that level of investment, you can start here with REITs as you grow. Okay, so REITs are companies that own and operate or finance income generating real estate like rentals, offices, and also maybe malls. Rates allows you to gain exposure to real estate without having to buy property directly, and you still benefit through capital gains, meaning when the value of the property goes up, what your investment also goes up. Then when the companies collect income, maybe from the properties, the rentals, they still distribute 80% of the profits to the investors, which is you and me and all those people who have invested in this particular rate. Okay. So how do you start investing in rates? First, choose a rate. We have 3 that you can choose from here in Kenya. We have Econ rates, and they usually focus on student accommodation within Nairobi. And I am sure you have seen or heard about Kwetu or Kijani brand student accommodation, and you can be part of this project by buying Econ rates. And to invest in Econ, you can invest through VUCA. Just Google VUCA, or I'll leave the link in the description box below for VUCA. Just call them and they will guide you on how to open or how to start investing in Econ rates. The other rates you can invest in is Ilam Fahari I-REITs, and they usually invest in income generating real estate such as office buildings and also shopping centers. And then we also have Lab Trust Imara I-REIT, and they focus on long-term income generating real estate investment. Lab Trust is also publicly traded, meaning you can have, if you have a CDS account, you will be able to buy shares. If you have a CDS account to buy shares, or you have opened an account with a stockbroker, as we have mentioned earlier, you can use that account to buy Lab Trust rates. Okay. Number 5 in our list is cryptocurrencies, and I included this because there is so much potential in investing in cryptocurrencies when you do it right. I will give an example. I invested in XRP Ripple 4 years ago, and at that point, the price of one coin was $1.19, and at the time of making this video, the price of this coin is $2.47. I invested $40, that was about 5,000 Kenya shillings. And in the beginning of this month, I had $113 in that account. So I took away my capital, and I also took into account the level of inflation since 2021. And I left the profit to continue gaining and to continue making some more. Right now, this is the balance. My principle in cryptocurrency, don't put too much into cryptocurrency because it's volatile. You can do like 5% of your monthly income. You can add for maybe 2 more months and never sell below what you bought, even if it has to wait for even 5 years. To buy cryptocurrency, you can go to Binance. I will put the link to Binance in the description so that you can sign up, and then you can start buying cryptocurrency using M-Pesa or even your bank account. You can buy with as low as 1,000 Kenya shillings, and here is a list of coins I have in my portfolio. You can check them out and see whether they are going to make sense for you, and if it's something that you can also invest in. Make sure to diversify and to do some research on the coins you want to invest in. And my advice, invest in coins that are in top 150 in the coin market cap. And again, I will leave the link in the description box below. So thank you so much for watching, and happy investing. Bye.